Are you looking for natural ways to ease stress and anxiety without relying too much on medications? In this video, I'll share some of the most effective herbs that can calm your mind and relax your body. And the best part? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow these powerful herbs right at home. The link is in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Let's dive into the herbs that truly make a difference for stress and anxiety relief. Chamomile is known for its gentle calming effect, and chamomile tea is one of the best bedtime remedies to relax your mind and help with sleep. Lavender's aroma alone can lower stress levels and promote deep relaxation, and you can use it as tea, essential oil, or even grow it fresh in your garden. Lemon balm helps reduce anxious thoughts and improve mood, and a warm cup of lemon balm tea can do wonders after a stressful day. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps your body cope with stress, balance cortisol levels, and boost overall resilience. Peppermint, apart from soothing digestion, also eases tension, headaches, and refreshes your mind, giving you mental clarity. These herbs are simple, natural, and incredibly effective in calming the nervous system. The good news is you don't need to keep running to the store to buy these herbs. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow all these natural stress-relieving plants right in your backyard or even in pots at home. Imagine having your own supply of medicinal herbs whenever you need them. Check out the link in the description to grab your Medicinal Garden Kit today and take the first step toward a calmer, healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay calm, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.